Hey there, and welcome to Videos by Olive. Now that you've got your very own in-office Olive, we're going to go over the process of installing your Olive device and how to use its many features. Let's jump in. First, let's go over everything that's included with your Olive device. When unboxing your Olive, you should find with it one power cable, one desktop mount with detachable support stand, two batteries, one battery charger with micro USB cable, one omnidirectional microphone, two 3-foot wall mounts, and two sets of wall screws. Once you've confirmed that everything you need is present, it's time to move on to step 2. If there's anything missing, please contact us right away. For step 2, we're going to get your wall mounts set up. We advise placing these somewhere private so that more people will feel comfortable while using Olive. Once you've selected an area for your wall mount, open up the pack of screws and take out 6 of them. Using a drill or screwdriver, place your first screw in either the top right or top left corner of the wall mount. This will help you to keep the wall mount level as you continue to add screws. One by one, place the remaining 5 screws along the sides of the wall mount until you've securely fastened it to the wall. And that's all there is to it. Now, let's take a moment to examine the Olive device so we can go over all of its features. On the front surface, just below the screen, you'll find an audio input jack and a USB port. Go ahead and plug in the provided omnidirectional microphone to the audio jack. Moving to the back of the device, you'll find everything you need near the bottom of the unit. To the right, you'll find the port for the power cable. Along the bottom, you'll find 2 knobs. These are your light controls, with one controlling a warmer yellow light and the other controlling a cooler blue light. Depending on whether your space has a warmer or cooler look to it, you'll want to adjust the ring light to match so that your lighting will look natural on camera. Finally, to the far right, you'll find the power switch. This allows you to switch the ring light between DC wall power and battery power. Be careful not to leave the switch on battery, as this will slowly but surely drain your ring light batteries even if Olive is plugged in. And that's it! Now you're ready to start filming like a regular Spielberg.